Hi, in this video we will show you setting up your Epson printer on a wireless network in Windows. Make sure your product is turned on but not connected to your computer with a USB cable. First, we need to download the product's software package from Epson. For that, go to epson.sn. It will redirect to the Epson support page to download the setup. Here, enter your product name and search. In this window, scroll down and select Setup. Next, click the Download button. Once you have downloaded the free software for your device, double-click the downloaded file. Select Agree and click Next. Choose the required setup options, and click Next. Now Setup is downloading the essential software. Select I have finished filling ink and click Next. Click Next. How you want to connect the printer to a computer or other device. When you see this screen, select Wireless Connection and click Next. Select which to set up. If you are installing the printer for the first time, please select Printer and Computer. If the printer is already in use, then select Computer Only. Here I am selecting the computer only because my printer is already in use, and I want to install the printer via Wi-Fi on this computer. Select your product from the list, then click Next. Select your printer from the list, then click Next. Please wait for some time. Setup complete. The software installation and network setup have been completed successfully. Click Next and wait for some time. Here you can click Print Test Page to ensure software installation and print setup have been completed. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.